welcome back to math. Today we're going to be using the number line and also the hundreds chart or the 120 grid to help us get a better understanding of our decade numbers or counting by tens. We'll get really comfortable with them and then we'll be able to play some games with them so that we can use them for lots of different things for math going forward. Let's do it. Today you're going to need your mini whiteboard and or a piece of paper for taking some notes, and your counting to 120 sheet or your hundreds grid to help you keep track of those decade numbers. So I'm going to make my number line here on the board. We're going to use it for the video here today. We're going to build the number line, and if at home you want to make your own, go for it. You can copy it, or you can just watch, and that's fine too. So one thing you're going to notice is that these number lines have arrows on either side, and that means the numbers keep going on because numbers keep progressing, right? So we're actually going to start here at 0. So I'm going to make my 0, and I'm counting by tens, right? So 0, 10, 20, good. What comes next? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Just remember, as we're looking at these numbers, we still are remembering place value. So in all of these numbers, in the ones place, we have 0 ones, and then this shows how many groups of 10. So there's 2 groups of 10 and 20, and there's 3 groups of 10 and 30, and so on. All right, let's go ahead and play counting by tens. We're going to start off with the basic version of this, which goes like this. 0, 10, 20, 30. Are you counting with me at home? Keep going. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's the basic version of counting by tens going forward. Can we do it going backwards? Oh my gosh, here we go. Let's start at 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Good job. The next way you can play this game is by playing forward reverse. So if you have this on a number line at home, then you can play with someone at home like this. They can say forward. You can go 0, 10, 20, 30. But if then they say reverse, you go 20, 10, forward. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, reverse, and so on. That's how to play forward reverse. You can also play forward reverse using your hundreds chart or your counting to 120 chart, like this. I like to use a little marker. 10, 20, 30, 40, reverse. 30, 20, forward. 30, 40, and so on. Keep getting really comfortable going forwards and backwards, counting by 10. All right, let's play mystery decade number. So I have covered up one of these numbers. What number do you think I covered up? How can you tell? What do you think? Go ahead and pause the video real quick and write down what you think it is on your whiteboard. Were you right? Did you get 40? Great job. Now I'd like you to play that game by going ahead and covering up one of the numbers on your whiteboard and seeing if someone else can guess your number, or maybe they can cover it up for you and you can guess what's covered up too. Now you're going to go into Seesaw and you're going to do 3 things. You're going to make the number line by moving the numbers, the counting by tens number line. You're going to play what's that number, your mystery decade number, and try to figure it out and then write it in on the little box that's covering up that number. And then you're going to do before and after. So what are the numbers that come before and after when you're counting by tens? Have fun.